वीना कुमारी माता जी, सुमन प्रभु, सुब्रज्योति प्रभु, and in voice we have सूरज प्रभु एंड वरुण प्रभु. हरि बोल. सो आप सब लोग से रिक्वेस्ट है, आप लोग आपका नाम और आप कितना राउंड चैंटिंग करते हैं चैट में लिख दीजिएगा. ओके, आई विल डू अ स्मॉल कीर्तन एज प्रेयर्स फॉर 5 minutes एंड देन विल स्टार्ट. ओके, तो दरवाजे को अच्छे से बंद करो ना, तो साउंड आएगा नहीं तो. So I will sing and then you can also repeat after me. Okay. Suman Prabhu 16 rounds. Okay, very nice. Others can also write in chat. Okay. And I hope all of you have done the homework. Yeah. Veena Kumari Mataji 2 rounds. Okay, very nice. Okay. Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Jaya Girivaradhari Jaya Girivaradhari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Jaya Girivaradhari Jaya Girivaradhari Yashodanandana Braja Janarandana Yashodanandana Braja Janaranjana Yashodanandana Yamuna Tira Vanachari Yamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda Jaya Shri Krishna Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. सब गाइए. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. सब गाइए. जय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय जय कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम जय वृंदावन धाम जय कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम जय वृंदावन धाम जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय जय प्रभुपाद। युग धर्म हरिनाम संकीर्तन की हरे कृष्णा। So everyone is able to hear me? Subrajyoti, Nishant, Suman.
Yes, Prabhu.
जी
Okay. So Nishant, you can also give your attendance in the chat. Okay. Yeah. So let me share my screen and we'll start our today's special topic, qualifications of an ideal disciple. Okay, let me know if you're able to see. देख पा रहे स्क्रीन?
अभी नहीं देख रहे। ये जो क्वेश्चन पढ़ा रहे हैं अभी इसको अलग से लिखेंगे क्वेश्चंस के अलावा।
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन में लिखेंगे नहीं,
इसमें लिख सकते हैं। मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है सब लोगों को? निशांत, सुब्रज्योति, सुमन, you can pin yes you can pin Akshay Keshut ka presentation to your device so it will be easy. ठीक है, so we'll do the prayers and we'll go into the topic. Very good enlightening topic. Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Okay, so before going into today's topic, तो last topic में कौन कौन present है? Yes, what was the name of last topic? Last class का नाम क्या था? हाँ?
Qualification of devotee part 3.
Qualification of devotee part 3. क्या? ओके, यहाँ से कोई बोल सकता है लास्ट क्लास का नाम क्या था सेशन का? आप लोग को सेशन का नाम याद नहीं है? हाँ, सुमन, सुब्रज्योति, निशांत, व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ लास्ट सेशन जो नीतीश प्रभु ने लिया था? यस,
उसमें वो बताया था कि कुछ लोग प्रचार करते हैं वो आचार नहीं करते, कुछ लोग आचार करते वो प्रचार नहीं करते।
सर मैं नहीं किया था। ओके, व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? सुब्रज्योति, सुमन, आप लोग थे राइट? व्हाट वाज द नेम?
वो तो देख लिया अभी।
हाँ, नाम क्या है? नाम बताइए। करेक्ट, आइडेंटिफाइंग द डिवाइन गाइड। ओके, आप लोग को नाम याद नहीं रहेगा तो कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे? देखिए इतना वीक मेमोरी है। हाँ, कोई पिक्चर का गाना बज रहा है तो बराबर याद आएगा माइंड में कि कोई पिक्चर का गाना बज रहा है, वो सब हर एक वर्ड याद आएगा उसका, पर ये इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स का नाम आपको याद नहीं है। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट आप लोग, अगर आपके पास कोई नोटबुक पेन है तो आप नोट्स लिखेगा, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। ठीक है, सो ओके, सो जैसे कि मैं बोल रहा था, आप लोग को होमवर्क दिया था, तो आप लोग में से कितने लोगों ने होमवर्क किया है? एनीवन? So I will start. I'll share my screen with the PDF और the homework. आपको जो book मैंने share किया था, I think you all have that book, right? So I will share it still.
Yes, bro.
Okay. So हम लोग last session में question number 10 तक हम लोगों ने discuss किया था. Okay. So now we'll discuss from question number 11. हाँ? So yes. So what is just मुझे बताइए सुब्रज्योति, सुमन, आप लोगों ने होमवर्क किया है कि नहीं किया है? Or you want some time? Yes. निशांत, मेरा स्क्रीन विजिबल है, राइट? सो आप लोग अगर क्विकली रिप्लाई करके, इट वेरी इजी, वी कैन गो फास्ट, अदरवाइज इट विल कीप ऑन ड्रैगिंग द सेशन. इमीडिएटली अनम्यूट करके रिप्लाई करो क्विकली. या सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन गोज टू होमवर्क डन प्रभु जी. ओके ओके, वरुण प्रभु आप बताइए. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो स्क्रीन पे है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, व्हाट इज नॉलेज. तो इसका श्लोक नंबर 2.11 भागवत गीता, उसमें आपको इसका आंसर मिल जाएगा. यस, व्हाट इज नॉलेज? थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए. हाँ,
Knowledge means to know matter and spirit and the controller of both.
ओके, हरि बोल. यस, वेरी सिंपल आंसर. बहुत लोग को यही बात पता नहीं. हम लोग सब कुछ जान लेते हैं. वी आर लर्निंग इंजीनियरिंग, वी आर डूइंग सम मेडिकल स्टडीज, रॉकेट साइंस, क्वांटम फिजिक्स, सब कुछ कर लेते हैं. वी थिंक दैट इज नॉलेज, बट दिस इज द रियल नॉलेज. मैटर क्या है, स्पिरिट क्या है, और उसका कंट्रोलर कौन है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गोज टू सुमन प्रभु. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12.
Yes, Prabhu. As it will be clear that knowledge means to know the matter and spirit and the controller of both.
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 का आंसर बताइए आप.
12. So sorry. Yes, Prabhu. हाँ, जो important है soul important है, soul and supreme personality.
ओके,
Soul and supreme is even more important than religious formalities.
ओके. एनीवन एल्स वांट टू गिव द आंसर? ऑलमोस्ट देयर. गीता में आप, यू कैन आल्सो रीड फ्रॉम भागवत गीता. दिस आंसर इज देयर आल्सो. 2.11, राइट? गीता 2.11. लेट मी जस्ट ओपन इट. गीता 2.11. Yeah. Yes, anyone else can answer which is important, body or soul? क्या आपने आंसर दिया है? सूरज प्रभु, which is important, body or soul?
Soul.
नहीं, गीता में से आंसर दीजिए. क्या लिखा है वहां पर?
Soul.
जो आंसर लिखा है, रीजन क्या है वहां? पीछे क्वेश्चन मार्क है. why soul is important?
Because soul never die.
That is there, but what is written in the text 2.11? मुझे वो आंसर चाहिए. ठीक है, वरुण प्रभु को पता है, आप बताइए वरुण प्रभु.
Soul, because body is born and is destined to be when is today or tomorrow. Therefore, the body is not as important as the soul.
Okay, correct. Okay, now coming to next question. तो जो आंसर गीता में ना, उससे आप लोग बोलिएगा, ठीक है? हाँ. Question number 13. This is from verse number 4. Question number 13. Where it is? 4.35. Yes, 4.35. Yes, who wants to give the answer? Anyone? आप देना चाहेंगे? Okay, so what is the question? 4.3. What are the wrong notions of people about Krishna which arise from Maya?
Some people think that we have nothing to do with Krishna, that Krishna is only a great historical personality and that the absolute is the impersonal Brahman.
Okay, just 1 minute, let me open that. Yeah, absolute Krishna is only great historical personality, absolute is impersonal Brahman. Yeah, some people are thinking like that. Okay, so this is a wrong notion that most of the people think. But यहाँ पर देखिए, there is a very important श्लोका from ब्रह्म संहिता and ईशोपनिषद में बहुत important श्लोका दिया गया. वहाँ पर बोला गया है, एक बहुत ही important श्लोक है. Maybe it is not written in Bhagavad Gita, right? But the meaning of it is given, I think. Yeah. ईश्वर परम कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादि आदि गोविंद सर्व कारण कारणम यहाँ पर क्लियरली बोला है कि ईश्वर भगवान एक ही है, परम कृष्ण, कृष्ण भगवान, सच्चिदानंद विग्रह मीन्स his body is made up of Satchit Ananda, eternity, bliss and full of knowledge, not like our body which is just made up of skin, stool, urine, blood, flesh, bones, सब का एक bag है, not like that. Okay, and he is not impersonal. Okay, he is a person and he is the cause of all the causes. Okay, so ये बहुत important हम लोग को समझना कि many people don't understand this basic thing only. ठीक है. Now coming to next question, what is the meaning of liberation? Yes, so this is also on 2.11.
4.35.
Sorry, 4.35. What is the meaning of liberation? Yeah. So who can answer? Suman Prabhu, Subrajyoti Prabhu, can you answer this question? Hare Krishna. Subrajyoti Prabhu. आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा प्रभु. ओके, सुमन प्रभु ने बोला थोड़ी देर बाद नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, सुमन प्रभु आप बता सकते हैं? यू कैन राइट इन चैट सुब्रज्योति प्रभु. यस सुमन प्रभु, आप लोगों ने होमवर्क किया नहीं लगता है.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं बाहर था तो कुछ.
Okay. Okay, you have not done it. So,
मतलब पर क्या आंसर दे सकते हैं?
आप आपके पास अगर अभी गीता है तो you can read and give the answer.
Easy answer.
Okay.
ओके
बहुत ही सिंपल है.
ओके ओके.
You can easily read and give the answer in the श्लोक number 4.35.
जिनको जिनका आंसर पता नहीं है आंसर निकालिए.
Okay, see, we have question number 14. What is the meaning of liberation? 4.35. Okay, तो आप read करके आंसर दे सकते हैं. Then there is next question. How can the
Everybody should know the answer.
सब लोग को आंसर पता होना चाहिए. Okay, there are very important questions. How can the seed of devotion be watered so it can fructify? 10.9. Okay, all these questions are there. You can quickly read it and give it. I'll open it here itself. Bhagavad Gita. It will be easy. 4.35.
बिना कटिंग करके बोल रहे हैं.
Yes.
कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता.
Sanjogita Mataji, Nishant Prabhu. You can also answer these questions. Okay, questions already मैं screen पे share किया हूँ, and you can easily open Bhagavad Gita Veda base in your mobiles and you can easily answer these questions. This is very important actually.
स्क्रीन शेयर प्रभु तो आप बंद कर दिए.
तो stop हो गया क्या? Okay, just a minute. I'm again sharing. Yes, question number 14. रुकिए सब लोग को चांस मिलने देने दीजिए. I'll give it more 3 minutes. Okay. There is not an app. Just अब Chrome में जाके टाइप करो BG means भागवत गीता BG और यहाँ पर स्क्रीन पे श्लोक नंबर लिखा है राइट 4.35, 10.9, जस्ट टाइप करो बीजी स्पेस 4.35. ओके, क्रोम में आके टाइप करो, इट विल डायरेक्टली ओपन, लिंक ओपन हो जाएगा वेदा बेस करके, उसमें जाओ, वहां पर आपको इसका पूरा मतलब परपोर्ट मिल जाएगा, उसमें से यू कैन फाइंड द आंसर. ओके, so 3 minutes more. Sanjogita Mataji, you can also try.
Okay, Prabhu.
Question number 14, huh? What is the meaning of liberation?
The real knowledge is that everyone is part and parcel of the Supreme Personality, having obtained real knowledge from a self-realized soul.
Not exactly. क्वेश्चन देखिए, सिंपल है. व्हाट इज लिबरेशन?
प्रभु मैं ट्राई करूं एक बार.
हाँ बोलिए.
Yes. When we engage in transcendental service through Krishna consciousness, then we become liberated from the illusion or from the world.
Okay, that is also there, but by one more complete
Not
answer.
falling into the trap illusion again.
Okay, see, I'm just sharing my screen. This is the Veda base I told you all to open from Google. Okay, Veda base 4.35. आप read करेंगे इसको, मेरे screen पे दिख रहा है, right? When you read this, at last here is your answer. Liberation का meaning क्या है? क्या लिखा है देखिए यहाँ पर. Yes, you can read this, Suman.
Yes, yes.
Read कीजिए.
When, however, such
Deluded.
living entities living entities become situated in Krishna consciousness, it is to be understood that they are on the path of liberation, as confirmed in the Bhagavatam 2.10.6. Muktir hitavanya rupam
स्वरूपेण
sarupena sarupena vas. ये क्या है?
व्यवस्थिति.
Vasthiti. Liberation means to be situated in one's constitutional position as the eternal servitor of Krishna consciousness.
करेक्ट. तो ये लिबरेशन का एक्चुअल मीनिंग है. ठीक है, कि वी आर एक्चुअली पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ कृष्णा एंड वी आर सर्वेंट्स ऑफ कृष्णा. हम लोग भगवान के सेवक है. दिस इज द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ लिबरेशन. ओके, बहुत लोग क्या बोलते हैं, देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु कंफ्यूज कि मुक्ति मतलब क्या है कि आप भगवान में मिल जाओ, आप विलीन हो जाओ उनके अंदर, आपके डिजायर्स को जीरो कर दो, एक भी इच्छा नहीं होना चाहिए मन में. तो दिस इज नॉट द मीनिंग ऑफ लिबरेशन. सो करेंटली यू आर ऑल इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स एंड फ्रॉम मेडिकल बैकग्राउंड एज वेल. आप एक जैसे इमेजिन कीजिए, देयर इज अ क्या बोलते ग्राफ. ओके, y एक्सिस, x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस का ग्राफ है. ठीक है, जो नेगेटिव, यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग, राइट? x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस ग्राफ्स you might have learned in a school, है ना? तो नाउ all of us are in the negative side. Okay, जो ग्राफ का नेगेटिव साइड है, negative side, we are in the negative side. Now we have all dirty desires, bad desires, okay, negative desires, all in our mind. Okay, so liberation, बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि making desire zero means liberation. Okay, so when we purify our desires, it will come to zero. Negative से 0 point पे आ जाएगा. Okay, but zero means what? कि आपका सब it is peace. Okay, आपको शांति मिल रहा है. लोग बोलते ना शांति है. That is called ब्रह्म ज्योति. It is the effulgence. It is the effulgence of the outer क्या बोलते भगवान के बॉडी का effulgence, उसको बोलते ब्रह्म ज्योति. Just like the light of the sun. Okay, like that. It is ब्रह्म ज्योति. And then going that above that in the positive axis. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. In that means what? You have actually doubted your desires towards Krishna's service. Okay, then that is actually liberation. That actually gives you happiness. Okay, simple चीज देखिए, मैं जब कॉलेज में था, मैं भी ऐसे सेशंस करता था आपके जैसे. Okay, so one day, no, I was just traveling in bus in Chennai, and I was sitting there, and one old person came. Okay, so he was standing just like that. तो बहुत crowd था, so I just gave him a seat. Just giving him a seat gave me so much happiness कि okay, मैंने आज किसी का help किया है करके. You feel that or not?
Yes.
Helping someone. तो मैंने कहा बस उनका कुछ सेवा किया है कि he's an old person, I've given him a seat and he also said thank you. I feel very nice in my heart. Okay, so this is actually our position, to serve others, to serve Krishna actually. Okay, but what is happening currently is that we are serving everybody else but not Krishna. Okay, we are serving our dirty mind, serving our senses जो बोल रहे हैं, अपने इंद्रियों का सेवा कर रहे हैं, all these things, and because of that we are getting so much entangled, so much miseries, frustration, all this is coming because of that only, because we are not serving Krishna. We have forgotten Krishna. That is our main mistake. Either you serve Krishna or you serve Maya. This is the only option. There is no other thing. Okay, हर कोई सेवा कर रहे हैं. आप आपका पेरेंट्स का सेवा कर रहे हैं, प्रधानमंत्री देश का सेवा कर रहे हैं. Yes or no? You cannot exist without service. So our main क्या बोलते हैं position क्या है कि we are eternal servant of Krishna.
In self-realization, Prabhuji, this is written, either you can serve God or it's opposite to God.
Yeah, वरुण प्रभु बहुत अच्छा है. He was reading a book, Science of Self-Realization, तो उसमें से एक point share किया है वरुण प्रभु ने. तो प्रभुपाद जी बोल रहे थे, you serve God or otherwise you don't serve God, then you will serve dog. God का उल्टा क्या है? Dog. और मैक्सिमम वेस्टर्न पीपल वही करते हैं, कुत्ते का सेवा करते हैं. कुत्ते को कार में लेके जाएंगे, बिस्तर पे ये सुलाएंगे अपने साथ. कुत्ते को काजू पिस्ता भी खिलाते हैं, मैं सुना हूँ. काजू पिस्ता कुत्ता वही खाएगा, ड्राई फ्रूट्स वाला कुत्ता भी है, वो वही खाता है, काजू पिस्ता ऐसी चीज ही खाएगा. उतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं आप, चाहे ऑफिस में 12-12 घंटे काम कर रहे हैं और घर में आके कुत्ते को सेवा कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि भगवान को निकाल दिया लाइफ से, जो कुत्ते को ला दिया. हाँ, जी भी वैसे ही रहे हैं. So this is our main mistake. Okay, so remaining questions, it has already taken more than half an hour. So let's dive into the topic now. So remaining questions we can discuss at the end of the session. Okay. So let me again share my screen, the PPT. Let me know अगर आप मेरा screen देख पा रहे हैं कि नहीं.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay. तो हम लोग ना, there is a war going on. Okay, one very क्या बोलते हैं, very dangerous, very difficult and a very deadly war is going on. Okay, एक battle हो रहा है, and this battle is the battle of independence. और इस war में actually पूरी दुनिया जुटी हुई है. The whole world is involved in this war. क्योंकि there has been a foreign invasion. एक foreign invasion हुआ है, and the people have been taken as prisoners, and now they have to fight to get their independence. Okay, so when a person that person wanted to fight, so what that person did, उसको अभी fight करना है, तो उसको एक training camp पे ले जाया गया. वहाँ पर training camp में he has been given training, just like the SEALs are there, right, in US Army. SEALs, you can fight from the fight in the sea, fight from the air, fight on the land. Enemy can attack you from anywhere. If they attack you from sea, you will be there equipped with your weapons to fight from the sea. Air se attack kiya, you will be always available there. You can also fight from there. Land se attack kiya, you have been trained to fight on the land also. Rigorous training दिया जा रहा है. One of my friend was in NDA. He was saying that सुबह 4 बजे आपको उठा के you will be told to do parade. Doesn't matter if you are having a fever. You have to go for the parade. You have to come early morning. That much strict it was. So like that trainings are given. You will be told to क्या बोलते हैं, when you means training और इतना crucial हो जाएगा कि you will be told, means क्या बोलते हैं, snipers आपको सिखाया जाएगा, rifles and all these things करके they will be fully training you, and then they will deploy you in the battle. Middle East में deploy कर देते हैं ना क्या बोलते हैं, and then there is very carefully एक step एक soldier एक step देख के लेता है, कहीं कोई नीचे कोई bunker तो नहीं है, that bomb, the mines are not there, कहाँ पर ऊपर है क्या है. The goal is that we need independence and we should be very careful and cautious. That is the goal the soldier when he's deployed, he will do. So similarly, we are also now that's like that soldier only, okay, and we are going this training, okay. Now last session mein you have learned how to identify the divine guide, okay, who is a bogus guru, who is a real guru, what are the factors, what are the characteristics, कैसे identify करना है, you have learned that thing, yes or no? Sanjogita Mataji, Subrajyoti Prabhu, Suman, Suraj, Varun Prabhu, yes, I hope that is clear to all
Yes,
of you. Yes, now you have learned. So now you understand how can you have identified a divine guide. Okay. Now you have been guided. Okay. That your fight is actually against Maya and Kali. Okay. Maya and Kali are our actually biggest enemies. Okay. And they're specially trained agents, the 6 anarthas: lust, anger, greed, pride, envy, and illusion. These 6 agents are there, what do you say, Senapati, which will be always there to attack us. Okay. So अभी ये जो अभी now you have been trained, अभी आपको सिखाया जा रहा है what will be the qualification of an ideal disciple. Okay. What is the important qualification? Many qualifications there, but I will take some of the important qualifications and I will discuss it with you today. Okay. So my only request is that you just take this training very seriously. Okay. Most of you, maximum of you are unmarried, you are leading a student life or just have started your work life. So you have not yet entered to the next phase of your life. Okay. Still you are there under the shelter of your parents, maximum of you. Okay. But when the next phase of life will come, you will be alone. Okay. You have to fight. You have to fight and you have to lead your life. Okay. And you have to take care of your parents also. All these things will come. So this training is being provided you through voice. Okay. That like already we are in the foreign land. Hum log, are we happy here? Always something or other suffering will be there in the material world, right? Body suffering aayega, nature suffering aayega, natural disasters or mental sufferings, everything this because this is not our actual home. This is a foreign land. And we are in a foreign place. Foreign invasion has already happened, okay, and a suffering. So what should be the attitude of a person in a war? Very, very careful. And अभी आप जब युद्ध में हैं, आपका attitude कैसा होता है? आपका गोल फिक्स है, राइट? कि मुझे इंडिपेंडेंस चाहिए, मुझे ये वॉर जीतना है. फोकस है कि नहीं आपका? तभी आप बोलेंगे, अरे बहुत थक गया, अब मैं आगे नहीं जाऊंगा, थोड़ा मैं सो लेता हूँ. वॉर के वजह वैसे बातें करेंगे आप? पीछे से आके आपको मार देंगे एनिमी, यस और नो? पर हम लोग का मैक्सिमम पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड आर डूइंग द सेम थिंग. They have got this valuable human life which is also temporary only. But this life is the only life which can क्या बोलते give you independence. इस life में आप war जीत पाएंगे. पर हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Just maximum people just wasting their lives. Not at all focus कि where I have to go, what is the goal of life, what I have to do. Okay. So we have to get independence and go back to Krishna. That is the actual goal of our life. Okay. So this will be taught to you in this training session. So today we'll learn what will be the qualifications of an ideal disciple. Okay. So I will share one shloka with you. You all can recite that. Yeah. This is a shloka, Bhagavad Gita 2.7. Huh? So बहुत ही important श्लोक है. This is written in maybe Latin language mix. I will share it from Veda base directly. Yeah, बहुत ही मीनिंगफुल श्लोक है. अर्जुन और कृष्ण भगवान का जो कन्वर्सेशन है. कार्पण्य दोषो पहता स्वभावा प्रच्चामि त्वं धर्म समुदचेता यच्छ्रेय निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं सधीमं त्वं प्रपन्नम्. So can someone read the translation? Nishant?
एक second, Prabhu. Now I am confused about my duty and have lost all composure because of miserly weakness. In this condition, I am asking you to tell me for certain what is best for me. Now I am your disciple and a soul surrender unto you. Please instruct me.
Okay. Thank you, Nishant. So actual Bhagavad Gita is starting from this shloka. Okay. तो इसके पहले first chapter में until 6 shlokas of second chapter, Arjun asked so many questions and gave so many arguments to Krishna. At last उसको समझ में नहीं आया क्या करना है, क्या confusion है, and then he surrendered to Krishna. Okay. So अर्जुन का एक ही डाउट था कि मैं fight करूँ या ना करूँ, should I fight or not, should I conquer the enemies or not? Why did he get this question? Anyone?
Yes, Prabhuji.
बोलिए.
Because he have to fight with his own family.
Arjuna is too miser, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
One, he does not lose his family, and he want to prevent from death to his family members.
Okay, yeah. Both of you gave correct answer. Thank you, Nishant and Varun. So, because other side had his teachers, जिन्होंने उनको सिखाया, उनके क्या बोलते हैं grandfather भीष्म पितामह, very loving to him, उनके भाई और many relatives are there on the other side. Okay. इसके वजह से वो confuse हुआ कि मेरा duty क्या है, उसको पता था कि duty क्या है, but still he got confused from dharma shastra point of view. On the other hand, Duryodhan ने क्या किया? He just was ready to kill everyone. Whoever comes, I don't care. I want to kill, and he was speaking from Artha Shastra point of view. Okay. एक point ऐसा था कि अर्जुन ने कृष्णा को बोला कि he was ready to be killed. मैं मरने के लिए भी तैयार हूँ. Okay. Let the other side of the battle, जो लोग अधर्म के side में, let them live. And he started crying. So this was his situation. Such a brave person. उनका situation ऐसा हो गया. And it was not that like उसको पता नहीं था अर्जुन को. Arjun knew his duty that he has to kill the people on the side of adharma. Okay. And he was on the side of dharma and he knew it was his duty, but still he was feeling very weak. Why he was feeling very weak? Because of attachment to his own ideas, his family, his friend, sentimentalism. Okay. This is the main क्या बोलते हैं thing most of us face. Like जब कोई छोटा बच्चा रहता है, right? There's a small child and for that child we need to give him some injection, some vaccination dose, right? बचपन में देना पड़ता है. तो इंजेक्शन के डर से भागते रहता है यहाँ पर, डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाएगा. But child is not so intelligent, he is just acting foolishly. कि नहीं मुझे दर्द हुआ करके मैं नहीं करूँगा करके. Yes or no? He doesn't know that the vaccination का benefit क्या है. Similarly, Arjuna also acting the same childish behavior over here, not knowing the future which Krishna is paving for him. Similarly, Krishna has actually engineered a plan for all of us. Okay, Krishna, who all क्या बोलते हैं, all the people whoever is there who want to एक बार भी कृष्णा का नाम लिया है or he wants to know more about Krishna or he wants to get out of the material world, go to Krishna. So Krishna takes control of their life and he paves a path for them. He engineers a route for them so that they can come back to him. Okay. So many of us, but we don't take the decisions in the right way. He has made a way for us. And sometimes we also feel that we should take the decision, but because of the influence of association, bad association, and other many factors, many of us take a wrong way. But finally, Arjuna, he surrendered to Krishna in this 2.7 shloka. Okay. And then he became fully dependent on Krishna. Okay. So then Krishna guided him. So this was the first shloka where Arjuna surrendered and Krishna will now start the actual Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Now, how can we feel dependent on God? ये बहुत important है. Okay, how can we feel dependent on God? The next question comes this thing. Okay, आपने surrender किया, now how can you feel dependent? So when someone is very much qualified academically, or when someone is very beautiful, handsome looking, or has achieved something in very young age, name, fame, money. So what he feels that I'm on the top of the world, the whole world is revolving around me. So such person is like somewhat intoxicated. थोड़ा बहुत क्या बोलते हैं, like नशे में, like a drunken person. Drunken person also feel दारू पीने के बाद कि पूरी दुनिया मेरे मुट्ठी में है, मैं ही सबसे ऊपर हूँ. Similarly, when a person has achieved all these qualifications, he generally feels like that. There was a football player, I don't recall his name, but a very famous football player was there. No, one old football player. So he was very well known. He He was to do lot of goals and very nice tricks he used to do in the field, everything, and very famous, name, fame, money, सब कुछ young age में कमा लिया. Very happy and everything was very going on very nicely. But क्या हुआ, suddenly one day the poor fellow, he broke his leg, and from that day onward the whole world rejected him. The whole world literally rejected him. Why they rejected him? Because now he was not able to give them sense gratification. Now he cannot do those tricks and the goals and all those things and show them. So the whole world rejected him. This is the nature of the world. Okay, this is how the world is actually. But जब वो घर गया, then he had support of his parents, of the priest of the church, and all those nearby who loved him. Similarly, in our life also, Guru, parents, and God, okay, they always love us without any conditions. Okay, they don't know anything from us. Okay, these especially Guru and God, okay, they will love us unconditionally. But हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We don't take it seriously. Okay, just like that football player. The whole world, मतलब हम लोग सोचते हैं कि कितना बाकी लोग मुझे ये कर रहे हैं, praise कर रहे हैं, and all those things. Okay, so we have to learn to become dependent on God. क्यों depend होना चाहिए? God के ऊपर होगा, भगवान के ऊपर. Yes. Can someone read this thing on the screen? Sanjogita Mataji, can you read this?
Yes, Prabhu. Such a person often becomes forgetful of the reality about his dependence on God for his very survival as well as for his skill and abilities. Although we cannot breathe even for a moment without Lord offering us air to breathe, and we cannot survive without water to drink, grains to eat, brain to think, and body to act, still it is human tendency to become forgetful about Lord's rule in his life and get carried away by
Maya. Okay.
Maya.
Yeah. So देखिए, भगवान ने हम लोग को सब कुछ दिया है, fruits, vegetables, everything God has given us. Air, फ्री में हम लोग सांस ले पा रहे हैं. अभी जो सेकेंड वेव आया था कोरोना का, ऑक्सीजन के लिए कितना पैसा देने के बाद भी ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल रहा है. वही ऑक्सीजन फ्री में अवेलेबल है, उसको सिलेंडर में भर के पैसा देके नहीं मिल रहा है. ऐसा हालत हो गया था. पानी प्योर वाटर भगवान ने दिया है, बट वही पानी हम लोग ने इम्प्योर कर दिया. अभी वही पानी को बिस्तर के 20 रुपए के बॉटल में खरीद के लेना पड़ रहा है. So actually God has given us everything, but because of our impurities in our mind, we are actually making everything impure and we are ourselves suffering. Okay, Bhagwan has given everything, air, water, food, whatever is there. Okay, but because of our skills, our abilities, our sentiment, our emotion, we forget about God's role in our life and get carried away by Maya. Okay, so if we don't feel dependence on God, then we just feel independent, that I am only the master. I am only the master of the whole world, and this is what everybody is trying to do. कि मैं ही सब कुछ हूँ और मैं अकेले कुछ कर सकता हूँ, मुझे किसी का हेल्प का जरूरत नहीं है. This is what everybody is feeling, and that is the main cause of suffering. जैसे कि छोटे बच्चे रहते, right? They stretch their hands and then they गोल घूमते हैं, गोल गोल घूमेंगे and then they stop. And what आपने कभी किया है बचपन में? और फिर क्या होता है? ऐसा लगता है कि दुनिया हमारे गोल घूम रही है. Yes or no? The whole world, but is that true? दुनिया पे गोल घूम रही है? नहीं ना? That is the imagination. That world is revolving around me. Similarly to name, fame, money, beauty, 6 things Kunti Mari ने कुछ श्लोक में बोला था. There are a couple of things like knowledge, beauty, fame. One more thing is there, I think, wealth. ऐसे कुछ 4 or 6 things are there. If that person is having that, then he becomes proud of those things, and he feels that he doesn't need God in his life. Okay, this is what everybody is doing. But all of you are very fortunate that you have come over here. You have understood who is God, who are you, what is the relationship with God. Okay, it's बहुत important समझना. There was a very famous singer George Harrison. उसने एक song लिखा था. You can listen this song. Oh Sweet Lord, एक song था. एक album बनाया था on Hare Krishna. Okay, so even he has understood. Such a person who is very passionate about music and all those things, rock star. Now there is one Madhava's rock band. They were something else before, and now they are completely different if you see their life story. So like that, people are there who are understanding this, actually youths only understand this very seriously. Okay, ये समझना बहुत important है कि यहाँ पर एक story आता है. I'll share you this thing. This actually happened when a tiger tangled in front of a millionaire. This happened with a senior devotee, Radheshyam Prabhu. I don't know how many of you know him. This जो book आप लोग अभी पढ़ रहे हैं, Positive Thinker book. So it is written by him only. Very nicely, he has thematically given all the things which is at present level आपके लिए जरूरी है. Okay. So Radheshyam Prabhu एक बार he was the president of ISKCON Pune temple at that time. So he was telling this thing that they used to go book distribution. घर घर में आके गीता डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे और लोग को बोलते कि आप भगवान का नाम का जप कीजिएगा और all this spiritual knowledge they used to give to everyone. So once he went to this whole home of the millionaire, this लखपति थे वहाँ पर, तो उनके घर में गए and he told मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है सब, I don't want to chant, I don't want to read भगवत, टाइम नहीं है. और उनको फिर दरवाजा बंद करके फिर बोलते चले जाए. तो उनको कुछ गुस्सा विस्सा नहीं आया. They were like normal because they are saintly people. So they went to other homes and all these things. One day क्या हुआ कि अचानक से इस मिलीनियर का फोन आया मंदिर में कि I want to meet that person. उन्होंने I think they gave their card. You can call us anytime. You can come to temple, दर्शन ले सकते हैं. So उनका मंदिर में उस दिन फोन आया था कि मुझे उस इंसान से मिलना है जो मेरे घर में आया था गीता लेके. बहुत ही अर्जेंट है, आप प्लीज बुलाइए. So these Radheshyam Prabhu and one more devotee immediately they went from there. तो उनको लगा ठीक है बुला है तो मैं भी गीता लेंगे. तो बहुत सारे दो कार्टून गीता लेके भी चले गए, गीता डिस्ट्रीब्यूट भी हो जाएगा. So they went there and जब गए उसके रूम में तब now everything was changed. The whole atmosphere changed. पहले एक ही गेट था, अभी एक गेट था उसको ताला लगाया था. उसके नौकर ने his servant has opened the door. आप लोग सब सुन रहे हैं राइट ऑनलाइन में या?
Yes, Prabhu.
So उसने दरवाजा खोला, अंदर गए, एक और गेट है, लिविंग रूम के सामने एक गेट है, एंड देन हिज बेडरूम के सामने भी एक गेट है जाली का. वो सब लगा के अंदर वो एकदम डरा हुआ बेड पे बैठा हुआ था. एंड उसके जो नौकर थे वो बोल रहे कि आपके पास कुछ पॉइंटेड आइटम्स है लाइक नाइफ और समथिंग पॉइंटेड, प्लीज डोंट टेक इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम, he has got phobia to all these pointed things, objects. तो वहां पर गए and then they inquired what actually happened with you. तो उसने बोला कि since he's a very means one of the businessman, so he has to travel from Pune to Mumbai. So there is the express highway between Pune to Mumbai. So he was going that day and he had around some 14 to 15 lakh rupees with him, okay, cash, and he was taking that hard cash in the car. And on the way, they don't know how someone came to know that he's having that much cash in his car, and some 4 to 5 people, they took some sticks and all and they stopped his car. Okay. And they showed the knife, ki darwaja kholiye, and they just told, you give us the money, and he has to forcefully give them the money. पैसा तो चला गया उसका, and on the point of knife, पैसा तो ले लिया, and now they're discussing. पैसा ले लिया तो एक चोर बोल रहा है कि ठीक है छोड़ो, तो पैसा तो हम लोग को मिल गया, हमारा काम हो गया. दूसरा आदमी बोल रहा है कि पैसा तो ले लिया, छोड़ देंगे तो पुलिस को जाके कंप्लेंट करेगा, हम लोग फंस जाएंगे. ये ऑल दिस कन्वर्सेशन दिस पर्सन द ड्राइवर वेयर हियरिंग, एंड वो ड्राइवर को बोल रहा है तुम मेरे साइड में हो कि साइड में हो, जल्दी यूटर्न लेके भागो वहां से. एंड लकीली ही एस्केप्ड फ्रॉम देयर. बट फ्रॉम दैट डे ऑनवर्ड्स उसी का नाइटमेयर ही हैड द नाइटमेयर ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन, एंड ही वाज unable to sleep at night. Fully he got phobia of knives and all pointed things. So तो यही चीज राधेश्याम प्रभु उस दिन एक सेशन में समझा रहे थे कि people have so much fear, okay, they don't want Krishna in their life, but all these things are there, fear, death. फिर राधेश्याम प्रभु ने उनको बोला, he explained them, gave him some knowledge, some shlokas from Bhagavad Gita, and he told that देखिए death will come to everyone one day or another. I'm sharing that thing on the screen, you can also read from there also. Death सब लोग को आने वाला है, पर अभी आपको जो लाइफ मिले आपको डिसीजन लेना है कि you want to die like cats and dogs, कुत्ते बिल्लियों के ऐसे मरना है आपको, or you want to go back to Krishna. Decision is yours. Death can come at any moment. Okay. but the soul is eternal servant of Krishna and he will not die. Okay, and this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, this mantra when you chant sincerely with full heart, because this mantra is nothing but Krishna and Radharani and Ram himself in this mantra. Okay, यहाँ पर देखिए ऊपर एक कोट लिखा है, तो आप पढ़ सकते हैं सूरज रू, वहां पर क्या लिखा है पोस्टर में ऊपर, तो जोर से पढ़िए.
There is no difference between chanting of Hare Krishna mantra and meeting Krishna eye to eye, face to face. There is no difference. Simply one has to realize the more you become perfectly chanting this Hare Krishna mantra, you see Krishna face to face. People are asking, can you show me God? You can see God. Simply prepare your eyes. Simply prepare your ears. You will by hearing.
Correct. So देखिए यहाँ पर प्रभुपाद जी क्लियरली बोल रहे हैं कि there is no difference between seeing Krishna face to face and chanting Hare Krishna. Okay, so when you really chant with full faith, automatically डर आपके मन से निकल जाएगा. You cannot die. आप मर नहीं सकते. आपका body can die but you cannot die. है ना? ये डर मन से जाना चाहिए. हम लोग ने नॉलेज सुन लिया है, नॉलेज इज देयर बट वी हैव नॉट रियलाइज्ड दैट नॉलेज. रियलाइजेशन होना बहुत जरूरी है. एक सिंपल एग्जांपल आई टेल यू. देयर इज अ वेरी सीनियर महाराज इन ISKCON, भक्ति विनोद स्वामी महाराज. सो he went to meet an Ayurvedic doctor. That Ayurvedic doctor, he got one disease, I forgot the name, TMP, some disease is there. He was admitted in USA. कि वो बीमारी ऐसी है कि आपके गले के नीचे almost whole body gets, it can't work, almost like paralysis. Only आपका गले के ऊपर जो है maybe some of your fingers will function. And वो बीमारी में in that hospital, no, very lavish hospital, and everybody comes there to die. अब सब लोग मरने के लिए आते हैं. जिसको बीमारी होती है he cannot get out of it. Once this disease comes to you, you will die. That's all. So he went to meet that person. He was a devotee, that Ayurvedic doctor. Unfortunately, he got this disease. So he was on the chair sitting, and somehow there was a computer machine or something like that, and only with his fingers he would type the keys and the message what he want to speak, because he cannot speak also properly, and that message would come there and you can read and communicate with him. ऐसा हालत हो जाता. And there are many cubicles like that. बहुत सारे cubicles थे, सब में ऐसे patients थे, and all the patients are very morose, very sad, but this person was smiling. As patient में हंस रहा था, he was jolly and he was very happy. And then the doctor एक चेकअप करने के राउंड पे आया था, and the doctor he also said the same thing. कि ये इंसान, he is the only person we have ever seen in our life, first case that as situation may be, he is still happy and peaceful. Others all are always crying, where are my family members, ये वो, I'm going to die, this and that. खाना नहीं खाएंगे, जबरदस्ती से खिलाना पड़ता है खाना. Everybody doing like that. And this one more thing was that because he cannot chew also, because all your chewing सब कुछ चला गया. So you have to एक कुछ pipe, they have done some pipe in this throat, यहाँ से कुछ खाना, and the food should also liquefied food that will digest. इतना सब problem था, but still he was smiling, and he communicated on the computer to Bhaktivinoda Maharaj that he's saying that, listen very carefully, and this very important thing which he said. Okay, you are there with me, right? Subrajyoti, Suman.
Yes, Prabhu, yes.
Shant, Sanjogita Mataji. Yeah. So
Yes, Prabhu.
he said very important thing there. Okay? I am able to feel that each and every part of my body is losing its power. मेरा हर एक बॉडी का पार्ट उसका पावर लूज कर रहा है. मैं आईज में से मैं ज्यादा देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ, उसकी रोशनी कम होती जा रही है. My fingers are not functioning properly. धीरे धीरे उसका पावर कम हो रहा है. My digestive system, my kidney, my liver, I am able to feel that my body parts are becoming weaker and weaker day by day. And I know this thing, that soon my body parts will become weaker and one body part will start failing. उसने बोला, I know this thing. And I am very happy that it is happening with me. I am very happy this thing is happening with me, because when everything will fail, I am just waiting for the moment when I can go back to Krishna. Can you imagine this thing? A situation where people cry and they lament and all these things, but he's very happy that his body parts are failing and he wants to fail much quickly so that he can go back to Krishna. This is a realized soul. That he has realized that is not a body, is spirit soul. The body is failing slowly, day by day, deteriorating. वो गलते जा रहा है day by day. And as soon as it will go, he will go back to Krishna. Confidence था उसके अंदर. Because he has practiced Krishna consciousness throughout his life. And Maharaj was speaking with him. They did kirtan over there, and Maharaj also became very emotional. Maharaj was emotional ban ho gaya ki such situation, but he's so much means stronger in bhakti. And then Maharaj started living. Somehow he took his hand up and he started waving bye to Maharaj, because he knew that he cannot see Maharaj again, and he also they can't meet one another again. Okay. And after 15 days, he passed away. So this is called fearlessness. ये आपका fear चला गया, समझ रहे? This is what happens कि इतना problem में भी you are happy because you are fearless. So this is what we have to develop, and this is what the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra does with us. Okay. So this was one of the very important thing. So when we become true and sincere disciple, we take shelter of Guru and chant Hare Krishna. This will remove all our fears. Okay. So देखिए यहाँ पर अर्जुन का फोटो दिया है, and can someone read what is written on the screen? Yes. Quickly, anyone?
Arjuna was famous for his Gandhiva bow. He was the best the archers and could shatter the hearts of his enemies simply by twanging his bow.
Yeah. He was the best among students of Dronacharya, Arjuna. एक बार क्या हुआ था कि अर्जुन नहीं, गुरु द्रोण जो है अपने सब शिष्यों को क्या किए थे, बोले थे कि आपको ना एक मटके में पॉट में पानी लेके आना है तालाब से, आप you have to go and तालाब नदी से fill water and come, and secretly he has put hole in each and every of the pot. Okay, and the students were going there filling the water and coming back, but the water was not full till the brim. पूरा brim तक भरा हुआ नहीं था, but Dronacharya told, I want it full till the brim only. So they are coming, and why Dronacharya did this thing? Because he wanted to teach Ashwatthama, his son, some important skills in archery. So when the whole class goes away, then he can teach his son. And Arjun was very intelligent in his Dhanur Vidya. उसने अपने धनुर्विद्या विद्या से पॉट को वहां पर रखा, and from he क्या बोलते हैं जमीन में he put his arrow, and from there he poured out the water, and the water is falling in the pot. So pot से पानी लीक हो रहा है और उभरते आ रहा है continuously. So water is there till the brim. And Dronacharya इसके by looking at his skill, his knowledge, he became so impressed that he taught Arjuna the skill which he taught Ashwatthama. Also एक बार ऐसे हुआ था कि गुरु द्रोण जानबूझ के अपना पैर मगरमच्छ के मुंह में डाल दिए and started shouting, help me, and nobody was able to, everybody scared, कैसे सेव करें, हम जाएंगे तो हमको मगरमच्छ काट लेगा. But Arjun again with his skills, with arrows, he killed the crocodile and he saved his guru from there. And in turn, Guru Dron taught Ashwatthama and Arjun both the very क्या बोलते हैं deadly weapon, Brahmastra. Okay, Brahmastra is very deadly weapon. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि not like our weapons. It is like a nuclear weapon which can go to एक ऐसी जगह पे जाएगा जो आप बोलेंगे. Not like अभी कैसे एक बॉम्ब डाल दिया जिस आदमी को मारने वही मरेगा, उसके आजू बाजू 4-10 लोग मर जाएंगे. Not like that. If you want to kill that person, it will kill that person only. That much powerful weapon, the most powerful weapon, and nobody can stop it. Okay, it was so much powerful weapon. So he was such a strong student. Then देखिए यहाँ पर he even defeated Lord Shiva. Lord जब वो वनवास में थे उस टाइम को Lord शिव जी को उन्होंने defeat कर दिया, and शिव जी became very happy with him and he gave him पाशुपात weapon, जिसका नाम लेंगे weapon पे उसी को आके मारेगा. One arrow उनको दे दिया अर्जुन को, शिव जी एकदम खुश होके. Then Indra bestowed him with celestial weapons. इंद्रदेव ने भी उनको कुछ weapons दिया था. इंद्र के साथ युद्ध हुआ था, he defeated Indra as well. Then Arjuna defeated the great Gandharvas like Chitrarath, others. Thus even the celestials could not stand in front of him. एक बार युद्ध हुआ था that some Duryodhan and other they were caught by some Gandharvas and they were about to be killed. But still Arjun went and saved Duryodhan in despite of the enmity that Duryodhan was doing with them. Okay, and this one, can someone read? Yes.
His senses were so controlled that even when Urvasi, a heavenly damsel, offered herself to him, he rejected her proposal as he saw her as a mother.
Yeah, he was so handsome, Arjuna, so much strengthened, knowledgeable, and such a good personality that even the क्या बोलते हैं अप्सरा, स्वर्ग की अप्सरा fell in love with him, and they came to offer themselves to Arjuna, but he was so much controlled in his senses that he rejected that and accepted her as their mother. Yes, can someone read this one? Anyone from here? Others? Yes, Nishant, can you read this? Quickly. These all things very important because Arjuna plays a very key role in this. That's why I wanted to explain you these things. Nishant is not there, I think. Yeah, Suman, can you go ahead?
In the material arts exhibition, Arjuna displayed one celestial weapon after another. With the Agnya weapon, he produced fire. With the Varuna weapon, he produced volumes of water. With the Vayaba weapon, he caused a great wind to blow. And with the Pranjaya Prajana weapon, he created a huge downpour of rain. With the Bhoma weapon, he created land, and with Pavatya weapon, he made hill appear in the arena. Then by invoking two
Antardhan
Antardhana
weapon,
weapon,
he made all
Antardhana
those things
weapon,
disappear. Yeah.
all those things disappear.
थैंक यू सुमन. देखिए अभी हमारे पास करंटली इन कलयुग वी हैव ओनली वन कॉल्ड फायर वेपन. एटम बॉम्ब से क्या होता है? फायर होता है, पीपल डाई. न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब फायर अगेन. दिस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज आल्सो फायर ओनली काइंड ऑफ, आग लगा देता है ना. दैट टाइम देयर वर वेपन ऑफ अर्थ, फायर, एयर. एयर का वेपन है, वाटर का वेपन है, इतना सब वेपन है. देखिए फाइव जो भी एलिमेंट्स है, पंचमहाभूत, हर एक चीज का वेपन. दैट वाज नॉलेजेबल. अर्जुन वाज सच अ गुड पर्सनालिटी, बट फाइनली क्या हुआ? अर्जुन he lost confidence in the battle of Kurukshetra. Very much qualified person, but still he collapsed in Kurukshetra. Okay, so similarly ना जी, ये तो उस टाइम का था. But people currently also, people in our society, they have a lot of education, they're advanced medical facility, धन है, सब कुछ है, luxurious life है. सब कुछ होने के बाद people are suffering from stress, tension, lamentation. मैं आज बोल रहा था ना कि assistant bank manager का पोस्ट पे थे, टेंशन की वजह से बाल झड़ गए उसके. One of my friend पोस्ट करके पीओ एग्जाम क्रैक किया, पीओ एग्जाम, बैंक पीओ एग्जाम क्रैक किया, एंड देन ही गॉट एज ट्रेन्ड इन मणिपाल यूनिवर्सिटी, बिकेम एसिस्टेंट मैनेजर आईसीआईसीआई बैंक इन चेन्नई. इतना वर्क प्रेशर है. आई वेंट एंड मेट हिम आफ्टर 2 years. ही जस्ट इतना बाल था उसका, या तो पूरा एक पैच आ गया यहाँ पर. इतना टेंशन, सब कुछ रहने के बाद भी डिप्रेशन, डिसीजन लेने पाते, लोनलीनेस, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, प्रॉब्लम्स केम इन लाइफ. क्यों लाइफ में इतना प्रॉब्लम्स आए? सिंपली बोला जाएगा तो हम लोग भगवान से दूर चले गए. दिस इज द ओनली मेन प्रॉब्लम जो सब प्रॉब्लम को क्रिएट कर रही है. अर्जुन देखिए भगवान के 2 फुट दूर था, 2 फुट दूर तक कुछ बैटल में, फिर भी वो रो रहा था, फिर भी हार गया. भगवान के सामने है, उनको सब नॉलेज पता है, नॉलेजेबल पर्सन, बट स्टिल अपना बुआ नीचे रख दिया कि मैं युद्ध नहीं करूंगा कृष्ण भगवान के. दिस इज हाउ मच powerful Maya is, and this is how much requirement of guru we need in our life. This is only mentioned over here in this slide that he put down his Gandiva bow, and ये जो मैंने mention किया था here, people indecision and they are so much lamenting all this thing because of getting disconnected. But after reading Bhagavad Gita, he was not the same person, and he became very cheerful and he fought the battle. Okay, so now without Krishna you actually go in stress, and with Krishna you come out of stress. जैसे कि वॉइस में मंगल आरती होता है, right? What we do in मंगल आरती there? We dance, we sing nicely. So this dancing and singing actually releases our stress. अब गा रहे हैं भगवान के लिए, आप डांस कर रहे हैं, सिंग कर रहे हैं, this will remove all your stress. First is that one. आपको physical और मेंटल फिटनेस मिलेगी। सेकेंडली क्या है, आप जब डांस करते भगवान के सामने आपका सब पाप चला जाएगा। दैट इज दी क्या बोलते पावर ऑफ दैट। यू आर नॉट डांसिंग समवन डांसिंग फॉर कृष्णा एंड ही विल रिमूव ऑल योर सिंस। थर्डली आपको कृपा मिलेगा, भगवान का ब्लेसिंग्स मिलेगा, आशीर्वाद मिलेगा कि वॉट एवर यू डू, कुछ गलत होने वाला होगा आपके साथ, दैट विल बिकम ब्लेस। अगर मे बी आपका एक्सीडेंट होने वाला था, मे बी आपकी उंगली कट जाएगी। दैट मच कृपा आशीर्वाद, दैट इज द पावर ऑफ आशीर्वाद, ऑल दिस थिंग्स। एंड व्हेन यू एक्चुअली, हम जो लोग कैंप में टूर में आए थे, when you dance in the dham in the holy places, you can actually feel Krishna is there with you if you're very sincere. You can feel that vibration, is something different out of the world, some spiritual energy is there here, you can feel that thing। एक ही thing, बस dancing and singing, 4 बेनिफिट्स इसका आपको मिल गया यहाँ पर। और हम लोग आते हैं, हम लोग का आईटी कंपनी है यूनिटेक में कोलकाता में। सो व्हेन वी कम आउट ऑफ द कंपनी, बड़ा बोर्ड है कंपनी के सामने, गेट से बाहर निकलते बड़ा बोर्ड है कि वर्क हार्ड एंड पार्टी हार्डर। एंड वहां पर कुछ लड़के फोटो दिया डिस्को में डांस कर रहे करके। डिस्को में जाते हैं, दारू पी के डांस करते हैं और गटरे पड़े हुए रहते हैं वहां पर, सिर दर्द, ये वो टेंशन फ्रस्ट्रेशन। वो भी डांस कर रहे, सिंग कर रहे हैं। एंड लुक एट दिस डांसिंग एंड सिंगिंग व्हिच डिवोटीज आर डूइंग इन वॉइस एंड कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस, है ना। अब YouTube पे यू कैन सी मेनी वीडियोस। आप जस्ट टाइप कीजिए हरे कृष्णा ISKCON USA रशिया, टाइप दिस थिंग एंड यू सी पीपल आर डांसिंग सो हैप्पीली देयर। No stress, no tension, they're so happy. This is the effect, okay? तो यहाँ पर देख क्या लिखा है, safest boat to shores of spiritual abode। तो गुरु को एक बोट भी बोला जाता है, okay? Because Guru is a person who takes us from the material world to spiritual world, okay? जैसे कि परीक्षित महाराज के केस में हुआ था कि the story of परीक्षित महाराज, I think, I don't know whether you know or not the story, कि उनको एक कर्ज मिला था कि he will die in 7 days। Kalyug started and he got a curse that he will die in 7 days, and he went and he got a very nice guru over there, Sukdev Goswami, and Sukdev Goswami spoke Bhagavatam to him and he heard very attentively Srimad Bhagavatam का कथा, and from there उनका पूरा डर चला गया, जो मौत का डर था वो डर ही चला गया उनका, ओके। और फिर उन्होंने क्या बोला कि अभी चाहे कोई भी मिसफॉर्चून मेरे ऊपर आने दो, ओके, मैं गंगा के तट पर बैठा हूँ, मैं भक्तों के संग में हूँ, सेंटली साधु लोग हैं यहाँ पर, सबके तट में हूँ। तो उनको कर्ज कर मिला था कि 7 दिन के बाद द फ्लाइंग स्नेक तक्षक, द बर्ड स्नेक विल कम एंड इट विल बाइट एंड यू विल डाई। सो ही वाज उनका वो फियर चला गया। His soul got so much pure, okay? So this confidence we all can get when we can become an ideal disciple and surrender to a guru। He surrendered to Guru, and that's why he got this confidence. This is what I want you all to also become, confident and fearless, okay? So now there are some questions for you. Abhi tak whatever we have discussed, quickly we'll go through some questions. So first question, आप लोग screen पे देखिए आपका, okay? Now all of you in a hot seat. So पहला question, 10,000 रुपयों के लिए, ठीक है? Why was the millionaire panicking continuously day and night? मैंने स्टोरी बोला था आपको मिलीनियर का। Yes. Who wants to answer? Multiple options can be correct, okay? Yes, Nishant, Subhajyoti, Sanjogita Mataji, Suman. Yes.
C option.
Okay, Nishant, sorry.
Option A.
Sanjogita Mata is saying A, and Suman is saying C. Unfortunately, both of you are wrong here. The answer is B and D. Okay.
Oh,
Why was the millionaire panicking continuously?
D.
He was about to lose his life in the hands of dacoits, and he marginally escaped from there. And he identified himself with the body, and therefore his anxiety multiplied. मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, उसको फोबिया हो गया उस चीज का, नाइफ से, ओके। बाकी चीज का उसको कोई पैसे का कोई चिंता नहीं था। ही वाज अ मिलियनियर, एनीवे ही कैन एक्यूमुलेट दोस मनी। दिस वाज द मेन रीजन फॉर हिज पैनिकिंग, ओके। अगला सवाल आपके स्क्रीन पे, ओके। हाउ कुड द मिलियनियर गेट रिड ऑफ हिज कांस्टेंट फियर एंड बैड ड्रीम्स? यस,
I can answer those.
you can say the option number.
Option number C.
ओके, और उनको बोलो ऑप्शन नंबर सी। कोई और जवाब इस क्वेश्चन के लिए?
Only one answer. C.
ओके, Suraj Prabhu also saying C. Yes, C is the
C.
correct answer. No, C is the correct answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is A? By complaining to police and reassuring that the thieves are put. No, wrong answer. B is saying by keeping himself busy all the time in thoughts of his business and forgetting. No, it is completely wrong. C क्या है? By acquiring knowledge of soul's eternal nature and by chanting the holy name. Yes, this is what Radhesham Prabhu told him. This was the correct answer. By paying a big sum to murmuring and discussing thieves, no, is also wrong. Next question.
मौका ही नहीं मिलता डिस्कस करने का.
Next question, चलिए आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर. What was the reason that made Arjuna weep in the battle and stop fighting?
C and
C.
C.
Okay. Suman Prabhu and Sanjogita Mata ये C. What about Nishant and Subrajyoti? You are not answering anything. आप लोग सेशन में हैं कि सो गए? Varun Prabhu and Suraj Prabhu, what is your answer?
C.
C. Okay. Everybody saying C?
C.
Multiple options was correct. Yes. So let's discuss. The actual answer is C and D. So what was the reason to made Arjuna weep in the battle and not fight? He became overwhelmed by 6 sides of the enemy's army. No, he was a very brave person. It's wrong answer. He felt great stress of commencing the war due to fear of war. No. C is that he was aggrieved due to bodily attachment for cousins and uncles and opposite side. Yeah, this is the correct answer. What is option number D? He needed a guru to elevate him with knowledge of soul, God and eternal dharma. कि अर्जुन को देखिए ये सब चीजें पता थी ऑलरेडी. वैदिक शास्त्र में भी was very much effulgent and very much elevated, but still he needed a guru. This is the importance of guru. Okay. Now coming to next question. What is the connection between weeping Arjuna in the battlefield and modern day educated people? Yes.
B, probably B.
Varun Prabhu is saying B. What about others? Yes, Nishant, Subrajyoti, Prabhu.
B.
Okay, Sanjogita Ma is saying B. Suman. Okay, actual answer is B and C. Okay.
B and C.
Yeah. First,
C also.
yeah.
C also.
B क्या है? Modern man with all advancement in science, technology, medicine under stress like Arjuna. Yes. Correct. C क्या बोल रहा है? Gita teaches us that without a guru one cannot solve the real problem of life. 5,000 years ago भी same situation था, आज भी same situation. These were the correct answers. Okay. Yeah. Now let's actually come into the topic now. Okay. Qualification of a disciple. Okay. तो अभी तक मैंने आपको जो चीजें बोली है अभी तक I have spoken about soul and body and हम लोग भूलने के वजह से how to remove fear and how can you the effect of chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. All these things are told to us by Srila Prabhupada and our acharyas and all saintly people. Okay. Now we need to follow. So what is the qualification of a disciple? This we have to learn now. Okay. So यहाँ पर प्रभुपाद जी का एक conversation है यहाँ पर. So I'm just reading it out. One should go to the spiritual master with surrender and question and service 3 things. First of all, for acquiring knowledge, we have to find out the suitable personality, and if we are fortunate enough to find out such a suitable personality, then first thing is surrender. पहला चीज क्या है? Surrender. Okay. तो देखिए surrender बहुत important thing है कि अभी आप लोग स्कूल्स में जाते हैं, कॉलेज में जाते हैं. सबसे पहले अभी जैसे कि डिवाइन करके ऐसे आपने एक स्कूल कॉलेज फिक्स कर लिया कि दिस इज ऑथेंटिक थिंग. नाउ व्हेन यू गो इन कॉलेज क्या करते थे? गिव यू बुक्स देयर. आपको बुक्स देते कि नहीं कि आप ये बुक्स से पढ़ाई करो. तो यू हैव टू सरेंडर देयर एंड रीड व्हाट बुक्स दे आर गिविंग यू. अभी समझिए आप कॉलेज में गए and you want to learn electricity, हाँ, और आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए एक बुक दिया कि आप ये बुक से पढ़िए इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बारे में, बिजली के बारे में पढ़िए, आप बोलेंगे नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं खुद से इन्वेंट करूंगा, खुद से खोज करूंगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी क्या है। ऑलरेडी माइकल फैराडे ने इसको इन्वेंट कर दिया इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को, और ये सब कुछ है, पर कोई इंसान बोलता है कि नहीं मैं खुद से रिसर्च करके करूंगा। इज ही फुलिश और इज ए नॉलेजेबल पर्सन? फुलिश, राइट? Waste of time. What you can take that book, you can read that book, and then you research further on that, make a thesis. That is a knowledgeable person can do. Similarly, we need to read Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, जो books हमें दिया गया है. First, you should not say that no, मैं खुद research करूँगा भगवान कौन है. I don't want the help of the books. तो research करके निकालूंगा भगवान कौन है. So this is all. This is not possible actually. Okay. So first thing is surrender. पहले आप surrender कीजिएगा. Read the books which are given to you. Okay, this is what Prabhupada is saying. If one thinks, अगर तो सोचता है कि वो अपने गुरु से बेहतर है, then he is the biggest fool. और कलयुग में 4 symptoms है. Okay, first thing is hypocrisy. Individually, people do hypocrisy. मतलब बोलते बहुत कुछ है, पर खुद वो पालन नहीं करते. Yes or no?
Yes.
You all have experienced this thing? Yes, online. Sanjogita Mataji, Subrajyoti Suman. People say many things outside, but they don't follow it themselves. Hypocrisy. और फिर जब वो लोग एक साथ आते हैं, collectively, individually hypocrisy. They are hypocrites individually. When they come collectively, fight करते हैं. They fall with one another. झगड़ा होता है. छोटी-छोटी बातों पे fall पड़ने पे झगड़ा करते हैं. और जब आप उनको पूछते हैं कि why are you quarreling? Then they rebel against you. They will rebel against you. And then you ask them why are you rebelling, they'll become independent. They don't want to believe only. Hypocrisy, quarrel, rebel, and independent. These are the 4 symbols of bad symbols of Kali Yuga. Hypocrisy, quarrel, rebel, and independence. Because of this mentality, people are not able to accept authority. They are finding faults in everything. जिस चीज को उसमें डाउट करते हैं कि सही है कि गलत है, इसमें ये दोष है, इसमें वो चीज है. Not think about, सोचते कि मैं खुद ही I am the best and everybody else is faulted. They think like that. Okay, this is the main problem of people of Kali Yuga. Hypocrisy, quarrel, rebel, and independence nature. कि I am the best and everybody else is faulted. सब में fault है, मैं best हूँ करके. Okay. एक बार क्या हुआ था? One disciple. एक शिष्य, one disciple was there. He went to a guru. One boy went to a guru. He wanted to accept a guru. He wanted a guidance from some guru. So guru के पास गए, and then after going there, he asked him a question. गुरु को एक प्रश्न किया, and guru started answering. गुरु आंसर कर रहा है तो उसको बीच में बात काट के he is only speaking the answer, और गुरु को बोलने नहीं दे रहा है, कंटिन्यूअसली बोल रहा है. फिर सेकंड क्वेश्चन पूछा, and just Guru answering, then he's only speaking more and more. So Guru ने बोला कि Guru understood the nature of this boy. Okay, इसका ना बैटरी डाउन हो गया. Just PC का just 1 minute. Yeah, where was I? लड़का क्या कर रहा था?
One boy asked the questions from Guru and he does not give the chance.
Yeah. तो गुरु ने क्या, गुरु इसका नेचर समझ गया. गुरु ने क्या किया, बोला कि आप एक ग्लास लेके आओ. तो वो लड़का ग्लास लेके आ गया, और फिर गुरु ने एक जग में दूध लिया, वो ग्लास में डाला. वो ग्लास भर रहा है, ग्लास भर गया, और भी दूध डालते जा रहे गुरु उसके अंदर, और ओवरफ्लो के बाहर दूध गिर रहा है. वो लड़का चिल्ला रहा है वहां से, गुरुजी दूध गिर रहा है, आप क्यों भर रहे हो इसको, वेस्ट हो रहा है, दूध वेस्ट हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. भरते जा रहे. वो बात ही नहीं मान रहा है, वो बोल रहा है गिर रहा है, दूध गिर रहा है, निकल पूरा वेस्ट हो रहा है, वेस्ट मत किए दूध को. तो बाद में गुरु स्टॉप हो गए, और उन्होंने बोला कि दिस इज अ सिचुएशन ऑफ, आपका सिचुएशन ऐसा है कि आपको लगता है कि आपको सब कुछ पता है, इसके लिए मैं जो ही बोलूंगा इट विल जस्ट कम आउट ऑफ योर माइंड, आप उसको अंदर लेंगे ही नहीं. दैट इज सिचुएशन ऑफ पीपल ऑफ कलयुग. दे थिंक दैट उनको सब कुछ पता है, और जब some knowledge, some valuable things they've been given to them, they won't accept it. नहीं ऐसे है वैसे, खुद का ही बात करेंगे. This is the main. And then what the people of Kali Yuga do? They want gurus who do जो jokes करते हैं, थोड़ा हंसाते हैं, थोड़ा फनी ये करते हैं और स्माइल करेंगे, आपको बहुत ही अच्छा अच्छा बोलेंगे और आप जाएंगे तो आपका आशीर्वाद देंगे कि आपका अच्छा हो जाएगा, आपका सब काम हो जाएगा, पास हो जाएगा, आशीर्वाद देंगे. पीपल वांट दिस थिंग ओनली. लोग को नॉलेज नहीं चाहिए. पीपल वांट अ गुरु लाइक दिस. बट प्रभुपाद वाज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट. ही विल गिव नॉलेज ओनली, ही विल नॉट गिव ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ओके, जैसे कि अभी नॉर्थ इंडिया का स्टेपल फूड क्या है? नॉर्थ इंडिया में जनरली रोटी खाते हैं, सब्जी खाते हैं, रोटी सब्जी, मैक्सिमम रोटी. मैक्सिमम केस में नॉर्थ इंडिया में रोटी सब्जी एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स दे ईट. साउथ इंडिया में इडली, वड़ा, राइस, सांबर, ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर देयर. स्टेपल फूड वहां का वो है. ओके, पापड़ वो भी रहता है. तो अभी समवन कम्स एंड से कि मुझे बस पापड़ ही खाना है. ओके, मैं पापड़ ही खाऊंगा. मैं कुछ सुन रहा हूँ पापड़ ही खाता. इज इट गुड फॉर हिज हेल्थ? पापड़ गुड है हेल्थ के लिए? इफ ही ईट्स नॉट गुड फॉर हिज हेल्थ, राइट? सिमिलरली पीपल वांट दैट ओनली, कि मुझे वही करना है. और जो इंसान वो चीज बोलेगा, द पर्सन विल से द थिंग व्हिच ही वांट्स, हाँ, तो वही अच्छा आदमी है. मुझे जो चीज चाहिए वो आदमी वो चीज बोल रहा है, तो ही इज ओनली गुड पर्सन. लाइक दैट पीपल थिंक. And that's why people get cheated. That's why so many bogus gurus are coming and they are cheating the people. Because people want to get cheated. समझ रहे? ये बात हो रही है. So this is very important here. Prabhupada is telling us the first thing is surrender. And once you surrender, then what Prabhupada is saying, see next here. And then after that surrender, there are questions, okay? Then you should ask questions, you should be inquisitive. आपको पूछना चाहिए कि ऐसे क्यों है, ये ऐसा क्यों कहा गया शास्त्रों में, इसके पीछे रीजन क्या है. सो व्हेन यू आस्क द क्वेश्चन, आपका ब्लाइंड फेथ चला जाएगा. ओके, घर में बहुत बार दादी और नानी लोग कुछ कुछ तो बोलते हैं कि ये मत करो, वो मत करो. हम पूछते हैं ऐसे क्यों ना करे, तो कुछ बोलते नहीं. हम लोग को बोला गया करके हम लोग बोले मत करो करके. तो इसके वजह से पीपल फील ब्लाइंड फेथ, ऐसे अंधविश्वास करके फॉलो कर रहे. दैट्स व्हाई यू शुड बी नॉलेजेबल. ओके, नॉलेज रहेगा देन ओनली आपका जो पर्दा है ब्लाइंड को निकल जाएगा. सो यू शुड आस्क क्वेश्चन. दिस इज वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ अ डिसाइपल. व्हेन अ डिसाइपल हियर्स समथिंग, यू शुड आस्क क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट सरेंडर, देन आस्क क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन पूछने के बाद चुपचाप बैठेंगे. आपको आंसर मिलेगा तो आप चुपचाप बैठेंगे आंसर सुन के? नहीं, आंसर सुनेंगे, देन यू रेंडर सर्विस. फिर आप सेवा कीजिए. जब आपका डाउट चला जाएगा, जब आपका ब्लाइंड में चला जाएगा, देन यू गो एंड डू सेवा. ओके, you follow 4 regulatory principles nicely. सुबह जल्दी उठेगा, you chant Hare Krishna, remember Krishna, sing for Krishna, distribute books, reach out to other people to give them this knowledge. Okay, in this way you serve people. Okay, this is what is a qualification of one of the disciple. Okay,
To be surrendering, questioning, but not to be in the challenge mode, and then service.
correct. You should not ask question challenging more. You should surrender. आफ्टर सरेंडर यू फर्स्ट हियर क्या गुरु ने बोला है, एंड देन यू आस्क क्वेश्चन कि मुझे ऐसा डाउट है इसमें, ये चीज ऐसी क्यों बोली गई है. ओके, यू आस्क क्वेश्चन एंड देन आपको जब आंसर मिल जाएगा, यू आर सेटिस्फाइड, देन आप सेवा कीजिएगा. ओके, देन यू हेल्प अदर्स आल्सो. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू फ्रॉम वॉइस साइड. जो सीनियर्स है आपके, दे हैव अंडरस्टूड द नीतीश प्रभु इज देयर, सैम प्रभु एंड मेनी अदर सीनियर्स वर्किंग एंड वेरी सक्सेसफुल इन देयर लाइव्स, हैप्पीली वर्किंग एंड सक्सेसफुल आल्सो. Now they are trying to distribute knowledge to all other suffering souls. So please take this opportunity seriously. Okay. So I've just completed till the qualification of the disciple now. Now there are 6 more important qualifications that I wanted to tell. But since we are up in our time, I will take it up in next session. Okay. Each qualification has very beautiful stories in that. So next session will be full of stories, ancient Vedic stories, and it will be very wonderful. So don't miss next session. Okay. So now, till now, any questions you have, you can ask. I officially end the session over here. Yes. Sanjukita Mataji, Subrajyoti, Suman, Suraj Prabhu, Varun Prabhu. If you have any questions, you can ask. Any comment, any feedback?
Every point is clear and easy to understand.
Okay.
And now this is our work to apply in real life.
Okay, Varun Prabhu is saying he understood every point of the class and easy to understand. Now he will be applying it. Okay, very nice, Varun Prabhu. Thank you. Okay, any other questions or comments? If not, then I will stop the session. Okay. Okay, thank you, Suman Prabhu. So I request you to do the homework. मैं आपको homework बोल रहा हूँ, आप लोग homework नहीं कर रहे. And when you come over here, then you take lot of time to find the answers, and it becomes very boring. Okay. So I want everyone. This is the actual book, Positive Thinker book. I have given you the soft copy of the book. Okay. तो आज हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 तक, है ना. सो our homework is now 14 तक डिस्कस किया, 15 से लेके 25. ओके, नेक्स्ट 10 क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट सैटरडे सेम टाइम 6 to 7:30. ओके, first we'll discuss next 10 questions. I want you to be quick. Okay, I will ask the question to a person and you should be answering that. Huh? Suman, Sanjogita Mataji, Subrajyoti, yes.
Yes, Prabhu. 15 to 25.
Yeah, question number 15 से लेके 25. Okay. You can. I have written the page number also in the chat in a group, and I have given this book in the group. Okay. So please read it seriously. This is very important. कुछ अगर आप ये questions पढ़ेंगे, right, इस book से, and when you find the answer, you can remember the knowledge for long time. इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Yeah, and very relevant to current topic. ठीक है?
Yes, Prabhu. Prabhu.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
प्रभु आपने जब बोला ना, मतलब आजकल लोग का प्रॉब्लम है, उन लोगों को लगता है उन लोगों को सब कुछ पता है. इट इज रियली वेरी वेरी ट्रू. मतलब कुछ भी अगर उन लोगों को बोलना चाहिए तो वो लोग बोलते हैं हाँ हम लोगों को सब कुछ पता है. मतलब एवरीवेयर.
This is the ये एग्जांपल समझाने के लिए वो गुरु वो दूध ग्लास में लाके समझा रहे थे. Because of this, people don't want to take, they suffer actually. सब कुछ पता है बोल के.
Yeah, Prabhu. Yes.
So actually, you all are very fortunate that you have emptied your glass and you have come here. You दूध चाहिए, and that nectarian milk. एक श्लोक है, शंकराचार्य बोलते हैं गीता महात्मा में. एक बार गीता दिखाइए. Very important श्लोक शंकराचार्य बोलते हैं गीता में. I will read it out. Very बहुत ही हार्ट टचिंग श्लोक था. माधव प्रभु जो वीकेंड सेशंस होता है, इन दिस माधव प्रभु टीचर्स अ लॉट ऑफ श्लोकास. ओके. गीता गंगोदकम पित्वा पुनर्जन्मना विद्यते, ऐसा एक श्लोक था गीता महात्म्य में. इंट्रोडक्शन गीता महात्म्य कहाँ गया?
प्रभु सुन पा रहे हैं?
यस. हाँ, मिल गया. सर्व उपनिषद गावो दोग्धा गोपाल नंदना पार्थवत्स सुधीर भोक्ता दुग्धम गीताम प्रीतम महत. सो यहाँ पर क्या बोल रहा है? सर्व उपनिषद गावो. ओके, हर एक जितना भी उपनिषद है, सब उपनिषद में जो गीता है, गीतोपनिषद, दिस इज द एसेंस ऑफ ऑल द उपनिषद. ओके. दोग्धा गोपाल नंदना, एंड जो क्या बोलते हैं कृष्ण भगवान है, ही इज अ मिल्किंग काउ हर्ड बॉय, हु इज मिल्किंग दैट काउ. जो गीता का जो नेक्टेरियन दूध नॉलेज है वो निकाल रहे हैं, द नॉलेज ऑफ गीता. एंड देन पार्थवत सुधीर भोक्ता मींस अर्जुना एंड ऑल अदर डिवोटीज, सीनियर डिवोटीज, दे आर ड्रिंकिंग द नेक्टेरियन मिल्क and learned scholars, and due to this drinking of the nectarian milk, dugdam geetam ritam mahat. Okay, devotees drink the nectarian milk of Bhagavad Gita that Lord Krishna is removing. Okay, so this is what nectarian milk you are getting over here. So please drink it and relish it. So as I told you the example of that person, the real example, realizing is very important. Realize करना है आप लोग को कि we are not the body, we are spirit soul. And that can happen only by sincere chanting. Okay, so please take it seriously. Chant your rounds regularly, what you are chanting, and try to increase your round more in this month of Kartik. Do Deepdan every day to Lord Damodar. It will help you a lot. आपको बहुत कृपा मिलेगा भगवान का. Okay, and positive thinker sessions on every Saturday is compulsory for you. And other sessions जो होता है Thursday and Sunday common sessions, it is optional, but if you attend, it is very good. For voice devote is compulsory. ठीक है? Okay? Hare Krishna. We'll meet on next Saturday. Hare Krishna.